Early in the morning of 30th December 2020, a large quick clay landslide occurred in Usk. 1,500 people were evacuated from their homes. 11 people tragically lost their lives. It is the most devastating quick clay landslide in Norway in recent times. The landslide covered an area of 240 by 700 meters. Clay and debris flowed as far as 2 kilometers downstream along a valley of lower-lying terrain. 1.35 million cubic meters of mass collapsed. In the first few days, NVE assisted the police and emergency services, giving advice on which areas were at risk and needed to be evacuated, and how the rescue work could be carried out in the safest possible manner. NVE worked with expert advisors from NGI and Multiconsult to gain detailed knowledge of ground conditions in the evacuated areas. This provided answers regarding which areas were safe to return to. 200 people lost their homes on a permanent basis. After the emergency rescue operation was completed, extensive mitigation and rebuilding work began in the landslide area. Levelling and stabilising the long and steep landslide edge became crucial. By removing topsoil and clay at the top of the edge, the area within the landslide pit was secured against further landslides and prepared for further work. To ensure the safety of those working in the area, a ground radar monitoring system was installed to give early warning of any subsequent landslides before they occurred. Prefabricated vertical drains were installed within the landslide pit to remove water from the disturbed clay, thereby stabilising the ground and reducing the risk of further landslides. Several layers of gravel were placed on top of the landslide masses, followed by a layer of firm clay and topsoil. The weight of these layers squeezes the water from the clay through the prefabricated vertical drains. The water is led through the gravel into local streams. The gravel and soil masses also act as a counterfilling. This reduces the height of the surrounding slopes and results in a more level terrain. It was also important to reopen the streams and rivers that the landslide blocked with clay and debris. Today, surface water flows through the drainage network within the restored area into Tistilbekken, which has been given a new course along the county road. The new stream channels have been built with sufficient capacity to handle floods and are secured with stones to prevent erosion. Several years of extensive construction work has secured the area. The area is now safe for future use.